Hello, science buddy. Good morning. Welcome to your science class. Before we start, let's go back to our last lesson. Instruction: answer the following question. Give the words being referred to in the sentence. Number 1. Body parts of animals that is used to pick food. Body parts that pick foods are beak, mouth, and proboscis. Part of a body of animals used to move. Those are legs, wings, fins, and feet. What are the body covering of animals? The body covering of animals are fur or hair, feather, scales, shell, and skin. Parts of animals used to protect themselves. Parts of the animals are to protect them are shell, horns, spines, or gills. What are the different kinds of movement of animals? Different movements are walking, swimming, flying, crawling, and jumping. Good job, kids! What is the object in the picture? The object in the picture is a plant. What kind of a plant is this? The plant in the picture is a tomato plant. Do you know its parts? Today, we will discuss the parts of the plant and their function. But before that, these are our objectives. The student will be able to identify and explain the different parts of the plant and their function: roots, stem, leaves, flower, roots, and seeds. 2. Show appreciation of the importance of the plants in our daily lives by expressing ways to take care of them. 3. Create a simple illustration or model of the plants with labeled parts and their function. Parts of the plants are bulaklak o flower, bunga o fruits, tangkay or stem, dahon or leaves, and ugat and roots. Let's discuss the parts of the plants and their function. First is the bulaklak or flower. It is the part of the plant that produces seeds through reproduction. It also attracts insects like bees and butterflies for pollination. It gives color and beauty to the plants. Next is bunga o fruits. It protects the seeds inside. It serves as food for humans and animals. When the fruits ripes and falls, it helps the dispersal of seeds. Tangkay or stem. It supports the plants, holding up the leaves, flower, and fruits. It transports waters and nutrients from the roots to the other plants of the plants. It also carries the food made by the leaves to the roots and other parts. Next is dahon or leaves. They are the food factory of the plant through photosynthesis. They absorb sunlight and air to make food. They also help in releasing oxygen into the air. And last, ugat or roots. They anchor the plant firmly in the soil. They absorb water and minerals from the ground. They store food for the plants. A plant is made up of 5 main parts: the flower, leaf, roots, stem, and root. Each part has an important function. The flower helps in reproduction and attract pollinators. The leaves make food for the plant through photosynthesis. The fruit protects the seeds and helps in their dispersal. The stem supports the plants and transport water and nutrients, and the roots anchor the plants and absorb water and minerals from the soil. Let's proceed to your activity. For activity 1, direction, identify the parts of the plant. I'll give you 1 minute to answer the activity.
T-minus 1 minute. T-minus 50 seconds. T-minus 40 seconds. T-minus 30 seconds. T-minus 20 seconds. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Let's answer this activity. For number 1, it is a dahon or leaves. For number 2, it is a bunga or fruits. For number 3, it is a flower or bulaklak. For number 4, it is a tangkay or stem. And last, it is a ugat or roots. Congratulations, kids! For second activity, direction, identify which part of the plant is shown in the picture. Number 1. Answer is flowers. Number 2. The answer is roots. Number 3. The answer is stem. Number 4. The answer is leaves. Number 5. Answer is roots. Good job, kids! For your third activity, direction, choose the words being referred to in the sentence. Number 1. This part anchors or hold the plants to the soil. It absorbs water and nutrients from the ground for the plant's growth and health. A. Leaves. B. Roots. C. Flower. The answer is roots. Number 2. This part carries water and nutrients from the roots to the leaves. It supports leaves and helps the plant stand upright. The answer is stem. Number 3. This is the breathing part of the plant. It can do this because it has tiny opening where water and air can enter and exit. A. Roots. B. Fruits. C. Leaves. Answer is leaves. Number 4. This part is called the reproductive parts of the plant. It is important for making seeds. It is often fragrant and brightly colored. A. roots, B. Flower, C. Stem. The answer is roots. Number 5. This is the source of new plant. A. Roots, B. Seeds, C. Stem. The answer is seeds. Good job, kids. Why it is important to take care of the plants that have roots, stem, leaves, flower, and seeds? And how can you show you care for them at home or in the school? Very good. It is important to take care of the plants because their roots, stem, leaves, flower, and seeds help them grow and give us food, clean air, and beauty in our surroundings. I can show my care by watering them regularly, not stepping on them, and planting more plants at home or in the school. Remember, a plant is made up of 5 parts: the flower, leaves or leaf, fruit, stem, and roots. The flower gives color to the plant. In the leaves, the process called photosynthesis takes place, which is making of food for the plant. The fruit is the part that reproduces new seeds. The stem delivers water and nutrients to each part of the plants, and the roots anchor the plants and absorb water from the soil. For your last activity, direction, choose the letter of the correct answer. Number 1. What parts of the plant anchors it to the soil and absorb water? A. Leaf, B. Stem, C. Root, D. Flower. Number 2. Why are leaves important to plants? A. They protect the seeds. B. They make food through photosynthesis. C. They anchor the plants in the soil. D. They carry water to the flowers. Number 3. If a plant has no roots, what will most likely happen? A. It will grow faster. B. It will not stand and may die. C. It will make more fruits. D. It will have bigger flowers. Number 4. Which statement best compares the stem and the roots? A. Both absorb sunlight. B. The stem makes food while the roots store seeds. C. The stem carries water while the roots absorb water. D. Both parts give color to the plants. Number 5. Which of the following best shows the importance of plant parts? A. Cutting the leaves to stop photosynthesis. B. Removing the roots to make the plants lighter. C. Making a poster showing how each plant parts help the plant. D. Ignoring the plants because it grows on its own. For your assignment, answer this worksheet. Did you enjoy our activity? I hope you have learned our lesson for today. See you next time. Goodbye!